do a few bunny songs. And the first one I want to do is called a finger play. So you're going to get your hands ready. And we're going to make our little hands into a bunny. Do you see the two ears? Just like the two ears on my silly glasses. So we say, here is a bunny with ears so funny. And then we're going to make a hole in the ground with our other hand. And here is a hole in the ground. When a noise he hears, he pricks up his ears. So you're going to prick up your ears and jumps in the hole in the ground. Good. Let's do it one more time. So you're going to use your hands. Your one hand is going to do the two little bunny fingers, and your other hand is going to make that hole in the ground. Here we go. Here is a bunny with ears so funny, and here is a hole in the ground. When a noise he hears, he pricks up his ears and jumps in the hole in the ground. Good job, everybody. That was great.